You're now viewing the installation video for a 2005 and up Toyota Tacoma Projector headlight. These are the tools that we recommend for the installation. We will start by opening up the hood of your vehicle. Please locate the two red arrows. Remove the two 10mm screws as you see here in the video. Please remove the two plastic clips. The next step is to remove the front grille by pulling it upwards. Please remove the plastic clip located in the corner of the headlight assembly. Below the headlight, you are able to remove the headlight garnish. At the top of the front bumper, locate three plastic clips as you see in the video and go ahead and remove those. Remove the 10mm screw. Go underneath the fender well and you will remove the plastic clip as you see here in the video. Gently pull the inner fender liner aside. You will find a 10mm bolt and you remove it. On your headlight bracket, remove two 10mm screws. Now gently disconnect the light sockets and headlight harnesses from the headlight. You are free to remove the stock headlight. Connect the light sockets and headlight harnesses to the new headlight, then place it in the stock location. You will now tighten everything back together in the reverse order. Please carefully view this video. Make sure your lights are working properly.
Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.